Hi students, this is AJ sir. I'm going to read an essay, The Most Exciting Day of My Life. Life is indeed a drudgery of routine. Drudgery means a monotonous, boring task or routine. Normally, it is difficult to distinguish one day from the other. However, there are some days which have a special significance or importance in our life, like a birthday or an anniversary. We not only remember but also eagerly look forward to them. Besides this, there is a day which is the happiest day of our life, or you can even say the most exciting day of our life, which we can never forget. Now, a new paragraph, every new idea on a new paragraph. I had appeared for the ICSE examination last year. After a brief vacation, my father insisted that I take the national level science talent search examination, which gives scholarship to successful students for higher studies. I had not done well in the science paper of ICSE, which was very tough as compared to previous years, and hence was a bit dejected. Dejected means disappointed. As the day of the announcement of result drew near, that is, came closer, my nervousness increased, anxiety increased, giving me restless nights. Often I had terrible nightmares at night, obviously. I knew my parents had great expectations from me, and I was paranoid, like kind of crazy, at the thought of letting them down. Next para. The day before the result was to be announced, I spent a sleepless night tossing and turning on my bed. Getting up early in the morning, I logged on to the internet, but was disappointed to find that the result was not uploaded on the website. My anxiety, that is the restlessness, increased as the hours passed by. Finally, losing patience, I switched off the computer and joined the family for breakfast. While having breakfast, I received a call from my friend Mohan. He congratulated me for coming first in the state. I was speechless and numb for a moment. Numb means you are not able to feel anything for a short duration, like totally blank. His words did not seem to register immediately. That means I wasn't able to digest the news yet. Barely able to say thank you, I gently put the phone down. Seeing me so perplexed means confused, my parents and sister came crowding around me to know what had happened. I jubilantly, happily told them about the result in a celebratory mode. They kissed and hugged me, and soon some of my friends came around to congratulate me. Next para. I was the cynosure of all eyes, which means the hero for everybody. I pinched myself to ensure, to see that I was not hallucinating, that is, daydreaming. Just then, my eyes fell on the daily newspaper, which had been lying on the table, completely ignored in the commotion. That means all the noise and the chaos. As I turned the cover page, my heart skipped a beat, which is what happens when something exciting happens. Staring me straight in the face was the result of the National Science Talent Search Test. With shaking fingers, means your fingers are shivering because you're nervous, I scanned the roll numbers, and to my surprise, I found my number. I called out to my mother, and within no time, the news spread like wildfire in the neighborhood. Well, we know that how our parents react when we achieve something. It has to be shown off a bit. I had indeed become a star overnight. This was something I had just not anticipated or expected. But it meant more than anything else. It was the first milestone towards my goal of becoming a scientist. Final paragraph. Indeed, it was not only the happiest day, but also marked a turning point in my life. A turning point means, a milestone means a very important incident which can change the course of the rest of your life. A turning point in my life which I shall always cherish, that is, celebrate and remember happily. So what I like about this essay is that it seems to be a very realistic story. It has a range of real emotions which a person would go through, and not once was it off topic. The topic is the most exciting day of my life. So whenever we write an essay, we need to keep remembering what is it we are trying to convey after every paragraph. And yes, every idea should be in a different paragraph, and at the same time there should be a continuity in the story. So planning is very important before starting to write. You may even add a few direct speech sentences, something like, my dad said, inverted commas, good job, blah blah blah, you've made us very proud, close inverted commas. So such short direct speech quotes makes a story more realistic, but don't overuse that. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.